I saw this idea on Pinterest to cover the whole tree in bows, and I thought it was just so adorable, and so I had to make 1,000,000 bows to go all over my Christmas tree for this year. We're making giant bows to go on the Christmas tree with a little loop in the back so you don't have to use anything else to hang them. You're gonna need some ribbon, so I have this burlap ribbon here that's wire edged. You're gonna need some tape and some chopsticks. You want to tape some chopsticks up and down like this so you have something to tie the bow on, and you want to tape it across here and then also up and down. Otherwise your chopsticks are not going to stay in place. We're going to grab our ribbon. These are kind of like pre-cut from last year, but I have them really long. Well, maybe it's not pre-cut. There it goes. It just keeps going and going. Pre-measure out your ribbon. I like to lay 2 pieces. I'm gonna cut it in half right here. And then I'm just cutting these ribbon about a table length. I'm gonna drape this ribbon over so it's exactly folded in half or pretty close to it. Bring it around my chopsticks and then tie a knot. From here, I'm gonna lace around my 2 loops. And then I'm just gonna tie those 2 loops around each other and pull. I'm gonna try to get this pretty tight and then we'll adjust it. So I'm gonna pull this down. One side is a little longer now. So I'm gonna pull it off of the chopsticks and then just kind of start adjusting the bows. You want to open these up, kind of pull from this side and just open it up this way so it's nice and beautiful. And then the same thing here. Pull through and kind of try to make your loops the same size. Beautiful. And then the back will have like a little loop like this, or you can put it on the tree branch. Let's do it from another angle. So now I'm gonna line these up equally, and then we're gonna tie the bow. So I'm just gonna tie a knot. And these are not meant to be perfect. They're just cute little, or cute big fluffy bows. So tie a knot. This is gonna be the part that you put on the tree. And then you're just gonna do 2 loops like this. And then tie those loops around each other. Pull them tight. And then just adjust it. Open up your loops. And there you have your big, beautiful bow. All right, let's tie the bow from this angle. So we'll bring it around. See if we can line it up. We'll tie our knot. Make our 2 loops. Tie those around each other. Pull tight. And then we adjust those loops. Look at all our bows we have so far. And we're gonna put these all on the Christmas tree.